Welcome back to our next class on change of subject of formula. For this class, we'll look at yet the in-depth understanding on how to make some variable subject of formula. Let's look at yet these several past questions. This last past question for the last 10 years here. So let's see how we can possibly solve these problems here. Right, so solution number, I'll do 2, I'll do 1 and 2, you do 3 and 4 for me, right? And perhaps you can message me through my WhatsApp number, right, and ask and send me your answer, so I will reply you if I don't go correct. So me, I'll do 1 and 2 for you, you do 3 and 4, right? And perhaps you can also leave your answer in the comment section, it's allowed, right? So let's see how we can possibly do this. For number 1, I'm given that V, right, V is equal to pi h squared into r minus h over 3. So I'm given this. All right, I'm asked to make r subject of formula. All right, how do you solve this problem? It's as easy as first things first here. I'm given that V is equal to pi h squared into r minus h over 3. That is first, I want to make r subject, this r. In that case here, I'm seeing pi h squared. I have to use pi h squared to expand first. So I will have that V is equal to pi h squared r, observe, pi h squared times r, pi h squared r minus pi h squared times h. That will give pi h cubed all over, I'm seeing 3. I have this. Mind you, I want to make r subject. So in this equation here, where does r exist? R exists here. So it's as easy as I'll carry this one now to the other side. So I'll have that V, this is minus coming plus pi h cubed over 3 is now equal to what? This one here is what? Pi h squared r. As you can see, next part is that I want to make r subject here. So I can divide through by pi h squared. But let me simplify this one here. Simplify this one over 1 here. LCM here is 3. 3 in 1 is 3. 3 times V is what? 3V plus 3, 3, 1. That's pi h cubed equal to what? Pi h squared r. In this case here, I want to try to make r stand alone. All I get, I'll divide through by pi h squared. So at this point, divide by pi h squared. So pick out this. That's 3v plus pi h cube over 3. Divide this by what? Pi h squared. Pi h squared is now equal to, I can see pi h squared divided by what there? R, pi h squared. This will cancel this. I'll have r. So r now is now equal to 3v plus pi h cube over 3, right? All over there, pi h squared. This becomes my mathematical expression for r. So I have to actually make r the subject of formula here, as you can see in front of you. Perhaps if I want to, I can see go down and break this down. So let me just try to break it down. This r now will be equal to this numerator. So I have 3v plus pi h cube over 3. This line here signifies division by what? Pi h squared over 1. If I'm to change this one, so in this case I'll have that r is equal to, what I'm having here is 3v plus pi h cube over 3. Next, take this one times, becomes times this one come up first over this one comes down pi h squared, right? I can see in this case I'll multiply through, so t now, or perhaps sorry, r will be equal to this times 1 is that thing, that's 3v plus pi h cube all over 3 times this is what, 3 pi h squared. This is also correct. So it's better you don't leave your answer this way, better you leave it this way. So in this case here, if I leave it this way, I'm still correct, but it's not proper, it's not well simplified. So break it down to the least possible variable. So I have this one as my least value here. So this is my r. So r is either this or this. In jam question, they can give you option A as this, they can give you option A as this, and hence you solve this and you end it up here. And observe that this and this are not similar, and like they are the same, but the arrangement are different. So you have to break it down till you have the least value. So this is my r. So this is how to solve example 1. Let's do number 2, and then you do 3 and 4 for me. Let's do example 2. It says that I is equal to the square root of e all over r squared plus w square l square. And in this case, we are asked to make capital R subject of formula. What do you do? Your task here is easy as I'm having E. So your task here is easy. I want to make R subject. I want to make this R subject. What do you do? My very first task here is that in this case here, solution, I'm given that I is equal to the square root of E over r squared plus w square l squared, right? I want to make r subject. I'll try to eliminate this root by what? Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. What should I get here? I'll have that I square is equal to the square root of, E over r squared plus w square l squared. Then I'll square it too. Square cancel out square root. I square, that will give I square is equal to just E now, all over there, r squared plus w square l square. Mind you, I want to make r stand alone. It's as easy as what? I'll multiply here over 1. So what? Cross multiply. This times this, I'll have I squared times r squared plus w square l square. 1 times this, of course, is 1. 1 times E is equal to E. I'll use I squared to expand through. I squared times r squared, that will give I square r square plus I squared times w square l square. I'll have I square l square w squared equal to what? Equal to E. From here, I want to make r stand alone, as we said initially. So I'll have to take this one other side. So I'll have that I square r square is equal to E plus this comes becomes a minus I square L square W square. I have this. I want to make R stand alone. I have to divide both sides by I squared. So I'll have this one, that's I squared R squared over I squared is equal to this expression here is E minus, I have I squared L squared W squared all over that same I squared. As we said divide both sides by I squared. Divide this by I squared. Divide this by I squared. So I have this. What observe? This should cancel this. So in essence, my R squared now, which is this, is equal to E minus I squared L squared W squared all over I squared. Mind you, I'm asked to make just only R subject, not R squared. So if I take this square to the other side becomes a square root. In math, if I take square, other side becomes a square root. So I'll have just R now should be equal to the square root of E minus I squared L squared W squared all over I squared. So it becomes my mathematical expression for R. So this is my answer. So you do example 3 and 4 and leave your answer in the comment section below. I'll reply you if you are wrong or correct. See you in the next class. And also, if you're interested in assisting our video via marker or ink, or perhaps via money, you can just reach me out through my WhatsApp number and then we'll discuss. So if you're interested in donating towards the assistance and also for more videos, you can reach me out through my WhatsApp number and then we'll discuss. Also, if you're interested in a private tutorial class with me, you can reach me out through that same WhatsApp number and then we'll discuss. So see you in the next class. Welcome to Excellent Link Academy.